SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc. SKAS moving averages reveal that the Tenkan line of the shares are below the Kijun-Sen line, indicating potential downward momentum building in the bearish chart. SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc. moved 0.0008 in the most recent session and touched 0.1311 on a recent tick. The Tenkan-Sen is generally used in combination with the Kijun-Sen to create predications of future momentum. A buy signal is created when the Tenkan-Sen line moves above the Kijun-Sen, while a sell signal is created when the Tenkan-Sen line moves below the Kijun-Sen line. Many technical traders use the Tenkan-Sen as a tool for predicting levels where the price of the asset will find short-term support. When reading Ichimoku Kinko Hyo charts, investors should note that the Tenkan-Sen line leads the Kijun-Sen and tracks price with more sensitivity because it covers a shorter period of time. When the Tenkan-Sen line crosses and moves above the Kijun-Sen line, this is generally considered a bullish signal. Alternatively, when the Tenkan-Sen line crosses below the Kijun-Sen line, it is considered a bearish signal. The Tenkan-Sen Kijun-Sen cross is one of the most traditional trading strategies within the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system. The signal for this strategy is given when the Tenkan-Sen crosses over the Kijun-Sen. If the Tenkan-Sen crosses above the Kijun-Sen, then it is a bullish signal. Likewise, if the Tenkan-Sen crosses below the Kijun-Sen, then that is a bearish signal. Like all strategies within the Ichimoku system, the Tenkan-Sen Kijun-Sen cross needs to be viewed in terms of the bigger Ichimoku picture before making any trading decisions, as this will give the strategy the best chances of success. In general, the Tenkan-Sen Kijun-Sen strategy can be classified into three major classifications: strong, neutral, and weak. Conducting further technical review, shares of SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc. SKAS have a 200-day moving average of 0.19. The 50-day is 0.14, and the 7-day is sitting at 0.14. Using a wider time frame to assess the moving average, such as the 200-day, may help block out the noise and chaos that is often caused by daily price fluctuations. In some cases, mods may be used as strong reference points for spotting support and resistance levels. Employing the use of the moving average for technical equity analysis is still highly popular among traders and investors. The moving average can be used as a reference point to assist with the discovery of buying and selling opportunities. Investors have the ability to approach the stock market from various angles. This may include using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of the two. Investors watching the technical levels may be trying to chart patterns and discover trends in stock price movement. Investors tracking the fundamentals may be looking closely at many different factors. They may be focused on industry performance, earnings estimates, dividend payouts, and other factors. They might also be studying how the company is run and trying to figure out the true value of the firm. Keeping track of all the data may seem overwhelming, but it may help give a needed boost to the portfolio. SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc. SKAS Williams % range of 14-day Williams % currently sits at -97.60. The Williams % oscillates in a range from 0 to -100. A reading between 0 and -20 would point to an overbought situation. A reading from -80 to -100 would signal an oversold situation. The Williams % was developed by Larry Williams. This is a momentum indicator that is the inverse of the fast stochastic oscillator. SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc. SKAS currently has a 14-day Commodity Channel Index (CCI) of 91.31. Active investors may choose to use this technical indicator as a stock evaluation tool. Used as a coincident indicator, the CCI reading above +100 would reflect strong price action, which may signal an uptrend. On the flip side, a reading below -100 may signal a downtrend reflecting weak price action. Using the CCI as a leading indicator, technical analysts may use a +100 reading as an overbought signal, and a -100 reading as an oversold indicator, suggesting a trend reversal. Currently, the 14-day ADX for SKAS Aviation Svcs Inc, SKAS, is sitting at 40.79. Generally speaking, an ADX value from 0 to 25 would indicate an absent or weak trend. A value of 25 to 50 would support a strong trend. A value of 50 to 75 would identify a very strong trend, and a value of 75 to 100 would lead to an extremely strong trend. ADX is used to gauge trend strength, but not trend direction. Traders often add the plus directional indicator, plus DI, and minus directional indicator, DI, to identify the direction of a trend. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is a widely used technical momentum indicator that compares price movement over time. The RSI was created by J. Wells Wilder, who was striving to measure whether or not a stock was overbought or oversold. The RSI may be useful for spotting abnormal price activity and volatility. The RSI oscillates on a scale from 0 to 100. The normal reading of a stock will fall in the range of 30 to 70. A reading over 70 would indicate that the stock is overbought and possibly overvalued. A reading under 30 may indicate that the stock is oversold and possibly undervalued. After a recent check, the 14-day RSI is currently at 44.72, the 7-day stands at 40.58, and the 3-day is sitting at 33.96.